Abby Dean.
And I'm Sophie Dawn.
And we're Walker County, and this is home.
Come on in.
So this is our parents' new living room. We were so excited to be able to do this for them because when we started playing music as little girls with our dad back in Indiana, we were like, were you 8?
8.
And I was 11.
I think, yeah.
The living room was non-existent. It was a drum kit, guitars, mandolin, and I think there was like a couch shoved in the corner somewhere. Yeah.
And then when we moved here, this was our band room as well. And then just a couple months ago, we were like, okay, enough's enough. Mom needs her own space. And so here we are. So when we were picking out furniture, we went for a very modern farmhouse chic look. We grew up on a family farm in Indiana, and we always loved that look. My mom's grandpa is actually a cowboy, so.
Yeah, he homesteaded in Wyoming. We actually have a picture of him in here. So everything we chose was really to commemorate family and our mom and dad. We love these sofas, and everything just is really homey and comfortable.
All of this stuff is just like you could take a nap in here.
Yes, we filled the TV stand with Mom's favorite books, all of her Louis L'Amour cowboy books. And when we're not on the road playing music, this is the place to be. So we just picked everything that made us feel comfortable. And Mom loves it, so.
I hope you enjoyed our This Is Home Nashville tour.
See you guys later.
Bye.
It's been real. Bye.
Heels or boots?
Heels.
City or country?
Country.
Night in or night out?
Night in.
For sure.
Acoustic or electric?
Oh, that's a hard one. Probably electric. We like to be loud. Yeah.
Home cooking or eating out?
Oh, Lord. Look, I'm really thinking about this. Home cooking. Yeah. Home cooking. Yeah.
Salty or sweet?
Sweet.
Early bird or night owl?
Neither. I sleep late and go to bed early, if that makes any sense.
Oldies or pop?
Oldies.